Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cake pop kits is probably one of the most fun and creative ways to enjoy cake. These kits provide everything you need to create delicious and visually stunning cake pops at home. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a complete beginner, these kits offer a convenient and enjoyable way to explore the world of cake pops, perfect for any celebration or a sweet treat craving. Number 5. Cake Pop Maker Kit with Molds and Stand. This kit includes everything you need to make delicious cake pops and cupcakes. It comes with multiple molds, allowing you to create a large batch at once. Enjoy the fun of baking with your family. With this kit, you can make a variety of treats. The multiple molds allow you to create many cake pops and cupcakes at the same time. It's perfect for parties or family gatherings. Get creative with your cake pops. You can use the decorating pen to design various patterns. The melting pot makes it easy to melt chocolate or candy for dipping. Imagine the joy of presenting your beautiful cake pops. Simply insert sticks, dip in chocolate, and decorate. The included stand will display your creations perfectly. All the baking accessories are made of food-grade materials. They are strong, reusable, and safe for use in various appliances. It's designed for long-lasting use. This kit is designed for easy use, even for beginners. The accessories are also very easy to clean. You'll find the whole process simple and enjoyable. What we like. This kit offers a large quantity and variety, perfect for big events or family gatherings. It allows you to make many cake pops at once, saving you time. If you're planning a party or want to make a lot of treats, this is the one for you. What people say. I was so impressed by the packaging and how fast Amazon delivered. Such a great deal for all you get. Perfect and easy to make and clean. Works at making the perfect sized smaller cake balls. The silicone makes for easy cleanup. Number 4. APRON Heroes Cake Pop Maker Kit. Want to bake like a pro? This kit helps you craft delicious cake pops that look and taste amazing. It's perfect for anyone who loves to bake. Skip the expensive bakery runs. You don't need to be a professional to make gourmet cake pops. With this, you can bake it yourself and save money. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need. It comes with a silicone baking pan, a stand, a melting pot, a decorating pen, sticks, and bags. Looking for a great gift? This kit comes in a nice box and is perfect for all ages. Plus, it includes a bonus item, making it an irresistible present. When you buy this kit, you're also helping others. A portion of the profits goes to end child hunger, making a difference in the world. What we like. This kit helps you bake like a pro with its premium baking essentials. It includes everything you need to create gourmet cake pops. If you are looking to impress with your baking skills and save money, this kit is ideal for you. What people say. As a first-time cake pop maker, this made the process much more simple. When my wife and I opened the cake pop Valentine's Day and started to make pops, at first I said, I don't know if this is gonna work like they say, but let's try it, man. By the time we were done after following the easy instructions, you would have thought that we had been making cake pops for years. I'm ready to start selling my cake pops. That's how nice this kit is. The whole package was super cute, came as a great deal and a nice guide with it. Can't wait to try it. Number 3. Baketivity Cake Pop Baking Kit for Kids. This kit includes all the dry ingredients, pre-measured and safely packed. It uses kosher ingredients made in the USA. You don't even need a cake pop maker machine to enjoy these yummy treats. The kit comes with step-by-step instructions, complete with kid-friendly illustrations and color-coded ingredients. This makes it easy for bakers of all ages to follow along and create their own cake pops. This kit teaches beginner bakers basic kitchen skills and baking techniques. Young chefs can build confidence as they create their own kitchen masterpiece using the included cake pop sticks. Give the kids a gift that creates memories by baking cake pops together in the kitchen. This is a perfect activity for family bonding time, whether with your own kids or grandkids. Scan the QR code in the kit to access a video guide by Baketivity's head baker. With the help of a professional baker, your child will feel like a baking pro too, using the included cake pop supplies. What we like. This kit comes with pre-measured ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, making it perfect for young bakers. It teaches basic kitchen skills and baking techniques. If you have kids who love to bake, this kit is a great choice to build their confidence. What people say. The instructions were so clear. Every ingredient was already measured and packaged for use. We used the box it came in as a holder for our cake balls after they were completed, so they could set. Fun activity for the kids. Pretty easy to follow and turned out not too bad for a first try. Number 2. GirlZone Cake Pop Craze Kit for Girls. Introducing the GirlZone Cake Pop Craze Kit. This awesome kit is perfect for young bakers. It comes with everything they need to create delicious cake pops. Inside, you'll find cake pop molds, a mixing spatula, and a silicone melting pot. It's all about making baking fun and easy for kids. The kit includes a decorating pen and nozzles, so they can get creative. They can decorate the cake pops for parties or to give away as gifts. This kit helps develop creativity, coordination, and self-esteem. It's a great way to have fun away from screens. The kit comes with an instruction manual with easy recipes and decorating techniques. It's ideal for first-time cake pop makers. This cake pop kit makes an ideal gift for Christmas and birthdays. It's a fun and engaging activity for girls ages 10 to 12. What we like. This kit offers a fun DIY experience, perfect for girls. It helps develop creativity, cognition, and coordination. If you are looking for a fun and engaging gift for girls, this kit is a great option. What people say. The cake pops were a hit at the party. The kit was easy to use and the instructions were clear. The cake pop stand was a nice addition. Number 1. Baketivity Cake Pop Kit, baking fun for kids. Want to spend quality time with your kids? This kit lets them bake delicious cake pops all by themselves. It includes a kid-friendly recipe and pre-measured ingredients. Forget scissors and glue, this is a new level of fun. This baking set is perfect for family time. Everything is pre-measured, so kids just mix, bake, and roll. No mold needed, shape them by hand. This kit, along with the cake pop holder, is the ultimate set. It encourages motor skills and problem solving. Watch your child's self-esteem grow as they proudly display their creations on the stand. Your little baker will love this as a gift. They'll feel grown up as they pour, mix, and bake. It includes all the dry ingredients, sticks, an instruction brochure, and a display stand. It's great for ages 6 to 12. These kits create fun family moments. It helps you connect with loved ones. It makes baking convenient, mess-free, entertaining, and educational all at once. What we like. This kit provides a kid-friendly recipe and doesn't require a mold or maker. It encourages motor skills development and boosts problem-solving techniques. If you're looking for a simple and fun baking experience for kids, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Directions were easy to follow and we liked the stand that came with the ingredients. The instructions were easy to follow for a child. Easy instruction, easy to do, taste great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.